YouTubers, welcome back. Just a side note update. If you've been following what I've been doing, I had to replace this breaker. I have replaced it, but if you have a look at the specs, see, it's still 63 amp, but 360 volt. That's well and truly above what I'll be doing, but still, what I replaced it with, you can see this, that's a 63 amp, 500 volt. So obviously I overlooked that, but it's not going to do any real concerns for me. But if you have to replace something, just make sure the specs are in check. The amps, the volts, AC, DC, make sure it all matches, whatever you're doing. This was the original first one I had at 50 amp. That's the 500 as well. But anyway, like I say, had I been pushing one of those 5000 watt inverter, 48 volt inverters, chances are they might allow the panels to go above that 360 volt, which in that case would be not adequate, whereas it might have been for the 500. So minor detail, but it could be a major concern if it's not checked properly. So yeah, just want to reiterate, check the values on the equipment that you're replacing. Don't just assume the amps is good enough. Anyway, I don't want to ramble too much, but thank you again for joining me and tuning in, and please support my channel. See you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.